everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are buffalo chicken nachos. So for our nachos, we're going to jump in with prepping all of the ingredients. So I am heating some avocado oil behind me because we're gonna make our own tortilla chips. It's super easy. Of course, you can just buy tortilla chips pre-made, but I will show you a really easy way that you can make it right at home so you just always have it ready to go. Before we do that, I am going to prep my onion and my tomato, which is my toppings that I'm gonna add at the very end because I just like to have everything ready to go so I can assemble and it's just everything is ready quickly. At the same time, I'm also cooking my chicken breast. So you can either buy like a rotisserie chicken or you can get already pre-cooked chicken breast. But I just took a chicken breast and I put it in my tasty air fryer using the meat thermometer. So it's just gonna be perfectly cooked every time. I have a discount code in my description if you wanna purchase that air fryer. It's absolutely perfect. So I'm gonna prep my onion for my topping. My chicken breast is almost done cooking. And I've also set my oven to preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So for my topping, I like to do some diced onion. So I just dice it really, really fine. And I'm gonna do the same thing with a tomato. So I just have a large tomato. I'm gonna go ahead and dice it as well. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. I'm just slicing across, and then I'm gonna slice down like this. And then we turn and we can dice it. For the tortillas, it is very, very simple. So I actually always have flour tortillas ready to go. So I like to buy a huge pack and I freeze them in small batches so that whenever I am in the mood for tortillas, they are fresh. So I have my flour tortillas. I'm gonna go ahead and just stack them on top of each other. And of course, I've let these defrost already. And I'm just gonna cut in half. And I'm gonna cut in quarters. And of course, depending on how big of pieces you want, you can either leave them like this or you can do it again in eighths. I think I'm gonna leave them in these quarters though. Once your oil is hot, so that's between 300 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you're gonna go ahead and carefully drop in your tortilla. So I'm just going to drop it in there. And then we just let it quickly fry. Go ahead, flip that over. You're basically waiting for those edges to start getting a little bit golden. And each tortilla chip might start to get a little bit puffy like this. So I just flip over just a couple of times. As you can see, the edges are starting to get a nice little color and that means that they're done. So I'm gonna take it out and put it on a paper towel on a sheet pan. And as soon as you take it out on the paper towel, I like to get some adobo seasoning. You can also just do some salt and do a little bit of seasoning right on top. And you might be wondering why I'm using a small pan. That was my calculation error, thinking I had enough oil for my cooking videos today, and I just happened to run out. So I used a little bit of a smaller pan so I could get some depth in the oil. So don't come after me wondering why I'm not using a larger pot. Obviously, you would want to use a larger pot because it's going to be easier. You can cook multiple tortilla chips at a time. So we finished making our tortilla chips and I'm just letting them drain on this paper towel because I'm ready to shred the chicken. So the chicken breast is perfectly cooked from my air fryer. Again, discount codes in the description below. And I'm just going to go ahead and shred it into pieces like this. I have some heat-safe gloves. If you're interested in the heat-safe gloves that I like to use, I also have linked it in my Amazon storefront, which is in the description. So we're just going ahead and we're pulling this apart. If you prefer to have your chicken breast in chunks, you can cut it up into like 1-inch cubes. But for nachos, I really like when it's shredded. So to the shredded chicken, I'm going to add my buffalo sauce. So just use whatever buffalo sauce you like. This is just store brand. You can use the Primal Kitchen one. I like that one as well. This is just the one from Wegmans. And I'm going ahead and I am seasoning my chicken breast in that buffalo sauce. So now I've taken out the paper towels and I have spread out my tortilla chips. I'm gonna go ahead and take my buffalo chicken. And you can really put as much sauce as you want. Like if you wanna drench the chicken in sauce, go ahead and do that. It's really to whatever your heart's content is. I just want a little bit of that sauce. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I've spread out my chicken. And I'm gonna take some sharp cheddar and I'm going to do a layer of my cheddar. And we're gonna go back in with the chicken, put more on top of our cheese, and then finish it off with some more of our cheddar. On top of my chicken and my cheese, I'm also going to add some corn. This is just some frozen corn that I have let defrost. So it's already cooked. And then just for a little bit of extra seasoning, I like to do a tiny sprinkle of adobo. And we're gonna go ahead and put this into our oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. And that is it. Buffalo chicken nachos, perfect for the summertime, super, super easy party snack that you can make, and just most importantly, delicious. I can't wait to do a taste test. Let's get a perfect little bite here. First of all, you'll see a lot of extra toppings. Just add whatever extra toppings you like. I love to do the onions that we cut up earlier, some tomatoes, some fresh jalapenos, and I also like to add some sour cream that I kind of water down just slightly so it turns into a much easier thing that I can top my nachos with. So let's go ahead and get our perfect bite. I'm gonna get this one on the side right here. I got my perfect bite. Cheers. I mean, what's not to like about this? You got the buffalo chicken, you have super cheesy, fresh tortilla chips, and it's just super easy to make, perfect for the summertime. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.